What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the crypto world, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So before we jump into that article and see what they're saying about SHIB's early investments, let's talk about what's happening right now. The most important thing we can look at on this page is a level of 49 neutrality when it comes to the fear and greed index. We are almost straight up and down at a level of 50 neutral here. And at 49, it means that traders are using extreme caution. They don't know. They're not sure if they're leaning towards bearish, if they're leaning towards bullish. They don't know what comes next. Should they be buying? Should they be selling? And that sort of confusion, that caution out there is causing a lot of people to sit on their hands. Now, the good news is we're not fearful. Okay, we're not selling every little news outlet that comes to be. We're not selling every little red dip. We're not panicking like we were just a month ago. Guys, if you remember a month ago, right, we were sitting in levels of extreme fear. Here we are today, back in neutral territory, and very soon, of course, this is a could, we could be back in bullish or extremely bullish territory or greed. Now, looking at that, we have not seen extreme greed since the end of 2024, so I do believe that it's going to take a little bit more than just a 5-10% gain to push us there, but nonetheless, we're in a very positive spot at the moment. Altcoin season still sitting at a level of 33, meaning that Bitcoin is dominating the market. And of course, Shiba Inu coin sitting down here at 590 points per coin. This is literally the craziest moving average level of resistance that I have ever seen on any chart. It is like a brick wall. Shiba Inu coin cannot break through this 50-day exponential moving average. So eventually, when it does, I believe we could see some fantastic price action. So look, I can't tell you what to do, right? But I'm accumulating now. I actually bought a little bit more Shiba Inu coin this morning. I'm accumulating now in anticipation of all of the gains and all of the greed returning. But let's take a look at what these analysts here are saying about the original $169 that turned into $5 billion. It says fresh commentary has revived debate around the extreme gains seen in early crypto cycles. Market observers continue to revisit past examples that highlight speculative momentum. In one case, tied to Shiba Inu coin, has drawn renewed attention and across analytics platforms. It says the discussion reflects broader questions about whether such explosive returns can happen again. Blockchain analytics platform Reflection shared a viral chart showing $169 Shiba Inu coin investment soaring to over $5 billion. The platform described the case as a real alt season, now where smaller tokens outperform major assets. According to Reflection, the investor bought $169.94 worth of SHIB on August 9th of 2020. However, available data challenge that claim, and reports indicate that Shiba Inu coin did not experience a major rally until 2021. The token later reached its all-time high in October of 2021, and the reference trade has been widely documented, including by the 5th edition of the SHIB magazine. However, contrary to Reflection's assertion, the publication reported that the investor initially committed $8,000, not $169. It added that the investor eventually secured $5.7 billion in profit. Reflection used the viral chart to illustrate intense altcoin cycles driven by social media hype. Now, during such periods, smaller assets can deliver rapid gains. Still, analysts note that timelines and figures must align with verified market data. Shiba Inu coin launched in August of 2020 at extremely low prices, and early buyers accumulated large token amounts at minimal cost. The asset gained traction in 2021 after major exchange listings, and at the time, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik burned about 41% of the entire supply. These developments fueled demand across the markets, and SHIB surged by millions of percent during the 2021 cycle. The token reached an all-time high of 8,800 points per coin in October, and several investors recorded life-changing profits during that period. Reports highlighted a truck driver who turned $650 into $1.7 million, and another case involved two brothers who invested $7,900 and earned about $9 million. The These examples continue to shape the narrative around altcoin wealth creation. Now, look, guys, the entire idea is, can Shiba Inu coin do this again? Shiba Inu coin is not going to run millions of percent from the current levels. It's just not in the cards for SHIB, being a blue chip meme coin with a $3 to $4 billion valuation right now. We're not going to be looking at quadrillions or quintillions of dollars in valuation for any meme coin, any crypto, any asset, anytime soon. Okay, there's a lot of factors that would come into play there, and nothing in this world is worth a quintillion dollars. So knowing that, can Shiba Inu coin still thrive? Absolutely. Okay, what the trade-off is now Shiba Inu coin, it is still risky, but much less risky than a meme coin with a $10,000 valuation. You understand, a meme coin with a $10,000 valuation, you go out there and buy $1,000 worth of it, all of a sudden you've seen the price increase by 2, 3, 4, 5x in one single trade. It is extremely volatile the lower the market cap. Shiba Inu coin loses some of that volatility. Now, I want to put that in perspective because clearly Shiba Inu coin is extremely low in market cap compared to where it was and compared to assets like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other major altcoins. So risk is, I guess, relative is what I'm trying to say here. And yes, Shiba Inu coin can see fantastic gains, but other meme coins right now might be stealing some of that spotlight because they're lower value market cap. Siren Crypto. This one's been running wild over the last couple of months. It's gone from 5 cents to nearly $5. That's a 100x increase, meaning your $100 investment turned into 10 grand and back down into a couple $100. But it's rising again. Now, I do own Siren Crypto. I got in on this green candle right here. So I've been very pleased to see it do nothing but post green candles since then. Ran up to about 97, 98 cents today. And actually, what was the high on the day today? At 97.25 cents. Back down to about 76 cents at the moment. But meme coin volatility is still here. Meme coins still have a chance. Gains are being printed. The only question is, are we along for the ride? I am, because I continue accumulating. I bought even more crypto today.